Hello students, today we are going to exercise 7.2. This is related to section formula and we are going to the first sum. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of minus 1, 7 and 4, minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. Always I suggest you to draw one figure for this. Here this point I'll take it as A. Minus 1, 7. Other point is B, 4, minus 3. And there is a point here on the line segment P. We don't know, we required to find out that P, x, y I'll consider. And this one is dividing the ratio M1 is to M2. And that ratio is given 2:3. So here, this is x1, y1. This one is x2, y2. This is m1 is to m2. And we required find out what is p, x, y. So we'll write here, let p, x, y divides a minus 1, 7 and b 4, minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. Now, we require to find out p, x, y as said. So, we want to use here section formula. Section formula is like this. P, x, y is equal to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now we are going to substitute the values here. m1 is 2 into x2 it is 4 plus m2 is 3 into x1 is minus 1 divided by m1 plus m2 that is 2 plus 3. Again m1 is 2 into y2 that is minus 3. m2 is 3 into y1 is 7 divided by 2 plus 3. Now we'll simplify this. This is equal to 8 minus 3 divided by 5, minus 6 plus 21 divided by 5. And this one we are getting here 5 divided by 5 and here 15 divided by 5, that is equal to 1, 3. Therefore, the point of intersection, therefore, the required point is 1, 3. Now we are coming to the second sum. Find the coordinates of the points of intersection of the line segment joining 4, minus 1 and minus 2, minus 3. Okay, we'll draw the figure for this. We'll consider these 2 points as A and B. A 4, minus 1 and this one is other one is B minus 2, minus 3. And we require to find the point of trisection. Trisection means dividing the line into 3 equal parts. So I'll consider here there are 2 points. This is P, x, y. Other one I'll take it as Q, x, y. We want to find out these both the points. And you can see here AP is 1, PQ is 1 unit, QB is also 1 unit. That means till AP we have 1 part, from P to B we have 2 parts. Same thing from A to Q have 2 parts, that means ratio is 2 is to 1 will come. Okay, so we can start this sum. This is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. In this there are two parts. First we want to find out what is Px comma y. I'll take here case 1. Let Px comma y divides a 4 comma minus 1 and b minus 2 comma minus 3 in the ratio, it is this a to p one part, remaining is two parts, so it is 1:2. So this is m1 and this one is m2, x1 and y1, x2, y2 I wrote here. So we'll use the formula here. Px comma y is equal to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now we'll substitute these values. Here m1 is 1, x2 is minus 2 plus m2 is 2 into x1, that is 4, divided by 1 plus 2. Again m1 is 1 into y2 is minus 3 plus 2 into y1 is minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2. Now we'll simplify this. Minus 2 plus 8 divided by 3, and here minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3. Simplifying this, we will get here 6 by 3 and minus 5 by 3, and that is equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Now we are coming to the second case, case 2. Here qx comma y divides AB in the ratio 2:1. Till A to Q we have two parts, then we have one part. So we have to write here qx comma y divides A 4 comma minus 1 and B minus 2 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2:1. So let qx comma y. Now this is m1 and m2, x1, y1, x2, y2 I wrote here. We are using the section formula. Now we should write qx comma y is equal to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now we'll substitute this. Here m1 is 2 into x2 minus 2, m2 is 1 into x1 is 4 divided by 2 plus 1. Again 2 into y2 is minus 3 plus m2 is 1 into y1 is minus 1 divided by 2 plus 3, and that is equal to minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3, and here minus 6 minus 1 divided by, sorry I wrote here 1, it should be 1 divided by 3. So we are getting here 0 by 3 and minus 7 by 3. So it should be 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Therefore, the point of trisection R, we got the first point P, it is 2 comma minus 5 by 3, and other one is q 0 comma minus 7 by 3.